Hello, hello, and welcome to Nails for the Week. My name is Lori, and I hope you're having an absolutely fabulous day today. I know I am because you're here and we get to play in the nail room. So let's get started. I know, it's been a while. I've got to get my stuff together, I tell you what. But I got this Orly Color Pass box and I thought I would share it with you. Now, my nails are kind of, well, they're brown, and I'm just not digging the brown right now. But I'm trying to go through my nail polish collection one polish at a time. So one polish, one nail, one day. And I'm trying to get through my entire polish collection. I'm currently on the browns. So we'll see how long that takes me. God, forever probably. But, what do? I'm close to giving up. I tell you that. I would rather just wear what I want to wear instead of just trying to get through my whole collection just so I could say I've worn everything in my collection. So we've got the Pop collection, and we've got this exclusive nail polish for the Color Pass box, and a double-sided dotting tool, which honestly, for as tiny as it is, the one side doesn't have a ball on the end at all, so you could use that for a water marbling tool or just a regular marbling tool if you want. It works really well for water marbling, and I'll even take it out of the little tubey here for you. I really do appreciate the fact that they put actual nail polish goodies in here for us this month. This season. And then last season too, they did a top and a base coat, which I really appreciated too. So the nail polish gods are smiling on us this month, or these last two seasons. So let's take a look at the Pop collection for the summer 2022. And here we are with a nice, pretty, bright rainbow, except for the champagne gold holographic there on the end. And then, so we're going to first up take a look at this exclusive polish. It's called Don't Be Square. And we have got little yellow triangles in a clear base. So these little glitters are going to have to be placed. So you're going to have to kind of pick them out, and there are a lot in there, so it's easy to get them on your brush, but you do have to kind of pick them and put them where you want them to be. So here I'm just fiddle farting around, trying to make it just perfect because, I'm the only one that sees my swatch stick, and I just would rather it look nice. I'm not really sure. But yeah, you would not believe the ungodly amount of time that I took to mess around with this. And it wasn't that you don't have to. I was playing. Let's just leave it how it is. But if you remember, I don't remember if it was last year I think it was 2 years ago. They came out with this polish called No Big Teal, and the little triangles are the same size. If you have that polish, if you want to look at it, go look back. It is a lot different than that polish. Just keep in mind. So the champagne gold one here, the little glitter one, is just an illusion, and I can't really tell if the glitter is just super fine or and it's so scattered that it gives the illusion of being iridescent. I know, illusion. Or if it actually is an iridescent glitter in there. But I do really like it, the holographic iridescence. Now, you're never going to get this completely opaque, but it is kind of a pretty little topper. I am sorry about my lighting too. I got a new phone and a little bit of a new setup going now. looks a little shadowy to me. I'm not sure. Here is the yellow polish. Now, I don't know about you, but I have seen a lot of Orly cream polishes. And I know, I'll say it, but I don't need any flack. I honestly think that their creams are just as good as Zoya's. Yep, I said it out loud and everything. This is a really good cream. Opaque in 2 coats. And it's yellow, people. It's yellow and it's opaque in 2 coats. It's got just a touch of orange in there, if you're really looking at it. I call it like bumblebee yellow. So, on to the next, yes? Because we're running behind and I'm talking too much. Connect the Dots is a orangey coral. Now, if you're looking at my swatch stick there and you see that little spot, that is because I do not file or buff my swatch sticks at all before I just go ahead and put polish on there. So sometimes it just kind of seems like sometimes there's a spot on the swatch stick that the polish just rejects. It's like, no, I don't like it there. I'm just gonna go away. But Connect the Dots is also a lovely 2-coat cream. And we're going to move on to Don't Pop My Balloon, which is a really pretty pink shimmer. It screams 80s, you guys. It's seriously, I don't even know what to tell you about this. It's kind of pearlescent, but the glitters are a little bit bigger, so it's not quite a shimmer, because the shimmer particles are just a little bit bigger than they normally would be. Now, if you look at this, when you first apply it, you're going to see the brush strokes, so like you kind of can there. But then when it dries, you go back and you look when it dries, the brush strokes are gone. So you don't have to worry about trying to do the sponge trick on that, which I was going to show you again, but since it was gone when it was dry, I went, never mind. I thought that was really nice. And then with Crash the Party, you get a nice grape purple. It is also a lovely cream polish. And it is just on the pink side of crayon purple. And for some ungodly reason, it took me God forever to just paint the swatch stick. Lori, just kind of messing with it, and I'm not really sure. It was like I was just tickling the polish on there, being distracted. I don't know. Maybe I was watching TV. I don't remember what I was doing. All right. For the last, but definitely not the least, because it's blue, you guys. And y'all know, if you've been here for a while, you know how I feel about blue. It is a beautiful water blue. And by water blue, I mean it is about halfway between sky blue and crayon box blue, which is, when I say crayon box, I mean the primary colors, guys. Just in case you don't know. And you see on the side there, we had a little bit of pull away from the swatch stick again, but I honestly believe that rinse and repeat could definitely be a 1-coater depending on your application. But it is absolutely, for sure at least, a 2-coater. But I think it's a gorgeous color. And as you can see, the dots kind of match up with the swatches. I thought it was a pretty cute collection. I mean, nothing absolutely, outstandingly new or exciting. I really did like the blue. The pink was cute, but it's, I don't know. I guess it's a little too girly for me. Maybe here we are playing with nail polish and I'm saying it's too girly. Yep, that's about how it goes. Anyway, let me know what you thought in the description box. And since I got my polished pick order in today, I thought, hey, why not, show you what I got? And so first up, I got the Night Owl Lacquer top coat called Moon Glow. I thought it was a blue glow in the dark top coat, but it looks like it's just blacklight reflective, which kind of sucks. But whatever, I guess it's a top coat. And we've got Wildflower Lacquer. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful that is. And it is Stolen Flame. And it is absolutely, yep, Blue Lover right here. Can you see? But it's got a dual chrome to it. It goes to purple and little tiny silver holographic glitters. And just look at that. Just one coat and it's absolutely gorgeous. Just complete and full coverage in one coat, which is really kind of odd for polishes like these, the indie polishes and stuff. I'm sorry, I have to do my whole thumb. It's just the way it is. It's just too pretty not to do the whole thing. And then, yeah, I got my actual thumb too. But oh, look how pretty that is. I'm so glad I got that. Even though I'm going to have to repaint that whole nail now, back the brown color it was before, but look how pretty. Anyway, next up we have a glistening glow polish called Minty Fresh. I think I have one other glistening glow polish, but most of the time for polish pickup, I try to use the polish pickup as just trying new brands. New to me brands. Ugh. Look at, I wrecked it! I don't care about the box because packaging is packaging. I don't need a lot of boxes and stuff roaming around my house. I throw that stuff away. But I did get some blue polish on the bottle. Now, I'm not really sure, looking at it, if it's a light blue polish with the blue and green little glitters in it, or if it's a white polish with the little blue and green glitters, and it's really pretty. Now I'm just trying to clean up my mess. Sorry. I'll be back. Okay. So now this one is definitely a new to me brand. It's called What Addiction. And is it Steel My Favorite Hue or something like that? I thought this was going to be more blue. I know, we're back to the blue. But it is a little more green than I thought it was going to be, but it's still a pretty polish, and it's got, I think, copper flakies in there. I was thinking there was pink flakies in there. I don't know what I was thinking. But it's cute. It's a little thin. But this is definitely the type of polish that you would build up so that you can still see the flakies really well. But those are the polishes that I got from Polish Pickup in April. Let me know what you think. Did you buy anything from Polish Pickup this last month? Let me know what you got. Let me know if you got anything that I got. If you've tried any of these polish brands before, or let me know your favorite indie brand in the comment section below so that maybe if I haven't tried it, I can try it out. That would be great. And I will see you guys again next time. Bye!